Oh, this is a no-face movement, and I'm bringing breaking news on the new zombie rogue Fomalhaut B planet that's going around Fomalhaut, the star. But what is crazy about this is that it looks like the all-seeing eye. All right, let's get to it. Now, when you look at this, what do you think that looks like, Mystique?
It looks like the Eye of Sauron from the Lord of the Rings trilogy.
It really does look like the eye of Sauron in the Lord of the Rings, and
Mm-hmm.
it also looks like the all-seeing eye.
It sure does.
All
It
right.
does.
Now, this is what they're calling the rogue planet, the zombie planet right there, Fomalhaut B. All right. But what I think is crazy about this, that's the star, right? That little bright thing, that's the star. What's wrong with this picture, folks? Is where's everything else that's going around this star? All right. This could possibly be a star, and it just exploded. All right. And you can see all the matters coming this way. But what I believe is, you see this black circle? Not this tiny white dot. This whole black circle, I believe, is a star. Alright? I think they're covering that up and telling you that this little dot right there is a star, which I believe could be a planet. Alright? Of some sort. And it looks like the star is blowing up. Alright? And it had an outer burst. First it had an outer burst. And it's reaching away. And then this is all the molecules coming from it. Alright? Because if this is the star, and this is an orbit of the belt of meteorites that's circling it, and there's nothing in the middle, it's just pure blackness. Alright? That's wrong. Alright? That is totally wrong. As you can see, they cut out this picture here and up here. Alright? Or it could be the Hubble telescope, just arms leaking out while it's taking a picture. Alright? But I believe this center, the all-seeing eye middle, is really the star, this big circle of darkness. And they're using ultra-red light that they have in the Hubble telescope to see what's around it, to see the explosion. And that would be called a supernova explosion. Alright? But I could be wrong, and they could be right, because I ain't got the gear. I ain't got a Hubble telescope worth billions of dollars up in the sky. I just think it's kind of weird that it does also look like the one eye of the all-seeing eye. Another thing that's weird about this is that it has, this is Fox News, a zombie planet Fomalhaut B shock scientists. This is the Fomalhaut system, including the middle star that we've seen. And this is the orbit of that zombie planet. And what does it look like? Looks like the orbit of Nibiru, right? And I read Zachariah Stitchin's book a few years ago about Nibiru, that it looked like the one all-seeing eye planet. Alright? But what's crazy is that a planet came by our Earth in December. It was 60 million miles away. It was 14 lunar. It was 60 lunar distance away, and they had it all. You check out my other video, but they had it all secretive because they had a number before the asteroid. So if they have a number before the asteroid, that means it's a minor planet. So I did research and I couldn't get through. Then I finally got through Yale and all different kind of universities that were studying it, and government documents that I have that's on the video. I just think it's weird. I want you people to also remember this.
Beautiful on the news, and here's the winner. There's a huge, hidden, heavenly body right here in our solar system. Evidence is mounting that either a brown dwarf star or a gas giant planet is lurking at the outermost reaches of our solar system, far beyond the planet Pluto. According to the British newspaper The Independent, the object is 4 times the size of Jupiter. Experts say the presence of such a massive object could explain why a barrage of comets has been coming from that direction.
Alright, now let's read on. Let's read this article. What the scientists say. 888 AS member central. And you can see my videos here too.
Mysterious planet may be cruising for a bruising. Long Beach, California. Something is orbiting the bright star Fomalhaut and the constellation known as the Southern Fish, but no one knows exactly what it is. New observations carried out last year with the Hubble Space Telescope confirms that the mysterious object, known as Fomalhaut B, is traveling on a highly elongated path, but they haven't convincingly nailed down its true nature. But if it is a planet, as one team of astronomers thinks, we may be in for some celestial fireworks in 2032 when Fomalhaut B starts to plow through a broad belt of debris that surrounds the star, and icy comets within the belt smash into the planet's atmosphere. The new Hubble observations, presented here on Tuesday at the 221st meeting of the American Astronomical Society, reveal that Fomalhaut B is definitely moving outwards, says Paul Callas of the University of California, Berkeley. Based on the 4 measurements carried out since 2004, he and his Berkeley colleague, James Graham, conclude that Fomalhaut's planet orbits the star every 2,000 years. The elongated path could be the result of a close encounter with another planet in the system. Fomalhaut B has an intriguing history. Callas first recognized it in Hubble photos taken in 2004 and 2006 as a faint, slowly moving speck of light. Because of problems with one of Hubble's cameras, however, he could not take another Hubble snapshot of Fomalhaut until 2010. This third photo was the first one to suggest, quite unexpectedly, that the planet was on a non-circular orbit, something now confirmed by the 4th set of Hubble data.
Alright, you can read the rest of the article at the bottom with the zombie planet and with that CNN leak of a small dwarf and its planet. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And please leave a comment. Tell me what you think of this, because it does look like an all-seeing eye. And what's peculiar about this is they're calling this a planet. Alright? And they're calling this the star. They could be right, or they could be wrong, because remember, Hubble telescope got a new redone to it, and it has infrared images. So if that's infrared, this would be the star, this big circle of darkness where you see nothing in it. It looks like it's exploding. Alright, looks like it's supernova. Alright, please rate, subscribe, comment, follow me on Godlike Production, Critter Box, follow me on Facebook, on Twitter, and Blogspot. This is the movement, moving to next time, facing off.